Hi. What is up? I'm back. I don't really know what I'm doing here. I think I'm just like posing. I meant to say I'm back. Haha, lol, lamau. Hello. I have returned. Yes, as I tried to say in the intro to this video, I am back. Does anybody care? No? Oh, fuck! So, I know it's been like 800 years, and I don't know, that's not my fault. Here I am in the same kitchen as before on all the other times, and it's just as fucking messy because I didn't clean it because I don't care. Some have said that I did a very slight glow up, a little bit, but like just between you and me, honestly, I just learned how to wash my face and brush my teeth. It's not, oh my god, I'm so oily. So today, I'm going to be baking banana bread. Thank you. Thank you. Sky said that she would do it with me, but she might not be able to. So if she is, I will be like putting the clips of her doing it probably better than me in the video. But if not, then I just look stupid, and that's not my fault. What you'll need: a banana. Grab it by the ew! Disgusting! Oh, probably butter. And then like flour and like, I think it's brown, but I think bread also has like yeast. So I think I might need to like knead it. Banana bread! I also think I'm gonna put rainbow sprinkles in it because gay. That's cute. I don't know if I have any yeast. Do I need yeast? Okay, so first, take one banana, and like, with this banana, you know, we're just gonna, well, what do you do with a banana? I've heard that they have a bone and they can break in half, so, no bone, but it does break. Banana. Banana. Mush banana. Now, mush banana. You really want to put it through a good spin cycle, you know? Just like really fucking fuck it, and then just like kill it, and then just like, and then it becomes bread. Banana. Now we add salt, some vanilla, and then we're gonna get some rainbow sprinkles because like, I don't know, maybe your banana bread will finally get a girlfriend. Unlike someone! Sorry. Can you even see what the fuck I'm doing? Okay, wait. Clean up, everybody clean up. Sugar, a little bit of sugar. It looks kind of like melted slushy. An egg. I'm not gonna smash it on my face like before. I'm not gonna smash it on that there like before. I'm not gonna smash. No! Fuck. Milk. What the fuck am I doing? I just wanted to make banana bread. I wanted to make something good because I never make anything good, right? I wanted it to be like a special occasion. I'm making bread. It's bread. It looks like vomit. This is, oh my god. Shit and piss in my asshole, I swear to God. Here's the flour. Flour, flour, flour. I think I need to fold it. It's making a really weird sound. I don't think it's supposed to be this gummy. Like, it's like, oh yeah, fuck. You like that? It looks great. Is my mom home? My mom's home. Oh my god. Fuck. 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 Oh god, it's hot. Oh. 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 I'm gonna put it on the pan. And put it in. They can come back in, and when I get it out, they'll leave so they don't see me making a fool of myself like an idiot, like a big fat idiot. And then I'm gonna get some sprinkles because I do still want it to look good. Oh, and I have to clean up. Oh my god. Wait. I said wait! Clean up, clean up. Everybody clean up, everybody clean up. Piss and shit yourself. Piss your pants. Piss your pants. So, it's cooking, right? I will be back when it's done. If I don't get yelled at. Okay. So, it looks great. Sophie, what do you think? Well, look. Do you like it? Mm-hmm. It's good.
What is it?
Banana bread. Or stuff. Banana stuff.
You shop our bananas?
So I forgot to film an outro to this video, so here's a video of a seal being squishy. Thank you so much for watching. I don't know. I don't even know what this was. It was very disgusting. It actually turned out worse than I thought it would. Also, here's a picture of me that I took accidentally when I was trying to record this bit.